Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I am here with the same chapter of history, chapter 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Today I will take a new topic and explain it in details. First of all, it is a very important topic. What do you mean by Great Depression? See, the the Great Depression, what do you mean by this? Then only we'll understand, then only we can take the next topic, how great economic depression affected the German economy. So first we will have to know what do we mean by Great Depression. The crash of the New York Stock Exchange due to overproduction and lack of demand. When production is over but the demand is less, which ultimately led to the decline in industrial production. So, automatically, industries stop producing more and more production and widespread unemployment. When the production will be stopped, automatically the factories, industries will not keep their workers in their because production has stopped. Excess production has done previously earlier. Now the production has been stopped, so they have started reducing the employment from their factories, industries. Then what was the effect? Which create an economic crisis, and this is known as a Great Depression. Production rise with the production. When the production has risen, industries demand is less, production is maximum. Industries stop producing anymore, so automatically they has reduced their workforce, labor. So more and more unemployment were there, which damaged the economic system, and this is called the Great Depression. Now the question arises. Now the question arises how the Great Economic Depression affected the German economy. The Great Economic Depression started in 1929 and it lasted up to 1932, 3 years. It hit the German economy very badly. By 1932, industrial production was reduced to only 40% of the 1929 level. Whatever it was produced in 1929, in 1932 it was only of its 40%, means 60%, means 60% has been reduced. Workers lost their jobs or were paid reduced wages. Either lost their jobs or they were paid many money, much less than what they used to get earlier. The number of unemployment or unemployed touched an unprecedented 6 million people became unemployed. Unemployed youth played cards. What was after becoming unemployed? What is their work? Main youth, who are the main work power, who are the main persons or factor of economic rising. Those youth, what were their work left? To play cards, to wander here and there without any work. And they play cards or simply sat at street corners or desperately make line or queue up in the local employment exchange. In dearth of job, in search of jobs, the youth took to criminal activities when there were no way to get any employment, but there is stomach, there is family at home to whom they have to feed, because total family depend on the youth. So they had started crimes, criminal activities. There were deep anxieties and fear in people. The middle classes, especially salaried employees and pensioners saw their savings diminished. As employers, they used to work, they used to get money that they used to spend on their family. The person who has retired, they are dependent on the pension. So these all started diminishing. And when the currency lost its value, small businessmen, the self employed, and retailers suffered as their businesses got ruined. These sections of society, middle class, businessmen, salaried people, they are called middle class. This section of society were filled with the fear of being reduced to the rank of the working class or worse still, the unemployed. The large mass of peasants was badly affected by a sharp fall in the agricultural prices, and women who were unable to fill their children's stomach were filled with a sense of deep despair. Middle class, especially salaried people, businessmen, they were badly affected. Their thought came to their mind, now they will be reduced to the lower level of the employers, where people are becoming unemployed, where their people are becoming unemployed. Peasants were worried that, this year they will be starving because there is a fall in agricultural prices. They are not getting their sufficient profit from the production they produced. And the women were the bad hitter, worse hidden. Why? Because they are seeing their children dying of hunger. They cannot afford to buy food for their children, and they feel a sense of great despair. So these are the different topics up till now. Today I have taught you. Now in the next class I will try to give you the questions, important questions of this chapter. Thank you.